Hey guys, this is Kip Shear. Welcome to the house here in Arcadia Light. We're in Phoenix, Arizona, near about 40th Street and Indian School. This is a new build project that we just completed. We're already under contract, going to close here in a couple weeks. So I'm going to take you through this house, but first off, hit the like button, hit subscribe button, take a look at our future content. Take a look. So right off the bat, you got the beautiful view of the pool, which is something that we try to do on every project if possible. Just that wow factor of walking through the front door, seeing right through the house and seeing the pool. So this house was actually big enough, the lot was big enough, we could put the pool vertically so you can see the whole pool right through the back door. It's really cool, really great wow factor. We got these nice big multi-sliders, which give you a whole view of the backyard. Beautiful vaulted ceilings. This was a luxury property, so we went with all high-end fixtures, high-end finishes, quartzite countertops. These are all custom cabinets. A designer designed this whole thing for us. Honestly, it would not have turned out as nice as it did if it wasn't for the designer. So she really knocked it out of the park. She gave us design boards that look almost identical to how this house looks. And all we had to do was just build it to look like the way that she spec'd it out. It's a half-acre lot. You got a beautiful pool back here, a huge yard on this side over here, a yard on the other side of the pool as well. There's a barbecue pit. There's an outdoor grill. Just a great entertaining house. We'll talk about the great room here. We got, like I said, custom cabinets. We got panel-ready fridge, a coffee hutch over here that is meant to look just like the fridge. You can hide your coffee machine in there. Top of the line appliances, Wolf Sub-Zero fridge. It's just a really, really nice high-end kitchen. So let's take a look at the primary suite. This is the other big wow factor here, is this primary bedroom and bathroom. We did the wood slat accent walls here. Really cool chandelier. And you got the view of the pool from the master. It's just a great setup. And then the primary bathroom is really like the real stunning shot when you walk in. These are antique doors, one-of-a-kind antique doors from an antique warehouse. They open up into this really grand primary bathroom here. So you got dual shower in the center, a cast stone tub right in front of the shower, and then vanities on both sides. And then the closet, it actually wraps around the back of the bathroom here. So really cool, I mean, incredible fixtures that she picked out. It's just a really, really nice color palette. It goes really well together. We'll take a look at the rest of the house. We got a guest suite over here with a little either living room or office area you could use here. And then a really good sized guest suite with its own ensuite bathroom, walk-in closet. Again, just really unique colors and finishes that she picked out for this house. We got a really fun accent wall here in the office. This front door, by the way, is Pinky's brand, Pinky's Iron Doors. They're out of California. They make really cool stocked iron doors. So if you're looking for something fun on a project, a lot of these are in stock. They can ship like same week, and they're really fun. One of the other key selling features of this house is the butler's pantry. So take a look at this. Huge pantry. You got a second oven and microwave in here. Tons of storage space for food. And then we also have a second fridge back here and a wine fridge and a sink. So literally it's like having a whole second kitchen. Again, quartzite countertops, under cabinet lighting. Just all the amenities you'd expect to find in a luxury home. This is the entrance from the garage. Fun little mud room here. Arched lockers with that same wood veneer that we had in the primary bedroom behind all the lockers. So a great drop zone area for your clothes and backpacks. And this flows right into your laundry room. Again, custom cabinets. Massive laundry room, tons of space for storage and hampers and all the laundry room stuff. And then here we got like a flex room, could be a kid's playroom, could be an office, huge space. Could be a gym, a theater room, whatever you want to do with it. And it's got its own ensuite bathroom here. We went with like a black theme. So we got black tile on the floor in the shower. and then a custom white oak vanity here. And then it's got a door to the outside too, so that kind of acts as your pool bathroom as well. And then an ensuite also to one of the bedrooms. So this house is 5 beds, 4.5 baths, plus that flex space there. So these are your last 2 bedrooms in the house. And they share this hall bathroom, which again is just really fun, light fixtures and kind of abstract shaped mirrors. Got a really earthy, organic feel to it. All right, so that's the inside of the house. Let's take a look at this backyard. It's incredible. Again, multi-slider, so you could open this all the way up and have kind of the indoor-outdoor living that everybody likes. Super deep patio. If you wanted to, you could put in like an outdoor kitchen over here, a TV, whatever you want to do. We also got space here for outdoor dining area, which is right next to your built-in grill here with natural gas, so you never got to worry about swapping out propane tanks. This pool, we got a hot tub, pool, LED lighting. It's a heated pool, so you can use it all time of year. All the pool equipment is hidden back behind this feature wall here that's got the fountains on it. So we tied in the same stone from the front of the house to the fountain wall here, so it all kind of ties together. And then just a huge yard, huge yard. It's just over a half an acre. This type of yard is just, you can't find it in this area. So that was a big selling feature. We got both artificial grass around the pool, so you got green all year round. And then we got 2 patches of normal grass on both sides. Because the artificial grass in Arizona gets really hot, so natural grass is nice to have too to play in the summertime. So beautiful house, nice quiet backyard. It's a great spot. So how I got this lead, one of my partners is a wholesaler also. So he had this deal come across his plate, and this was in 2021. So this was in the peak of the market. Everything was selling for a ton of money. And this one came across, and it was just a guy who had too many other projects going, and so this was one that he wanted to offload. So we took it on. It was an expensive lot to buy, but it turned out great for us. So we have a private money lender on this deal. So we owned it from 2021 to 2023. So for 2 years, we're paying high interest private money lending rates on it. But thankfully, the market appreciated at the same time as we were paying on this high interest. So it worked out. You really can't get traditional financing for projects like this. You got to go down the hard money route, and the interest rates are high, but usually it's worth it. We pay about $965 for this property. We put in about 1.3, 1.4 in construction costs. And then you had 2 years of holding costs. So that's another $200,000 or so. And then you got real estate commissions and closing costs. So we're probably all in on this project about 2.8 or 2.9 million. And we sold it for 3.75. So there's still a good spread there, but it's an expensive project for sure. So the biggest benefit to having this property was just its unique size and location. It's a perfect location, really close to a bunch of great restaurants, and the size of the lot is hard to find in this area. So when we did go to sell it, it was something that a lot of people wanted, which was great. Biggest challenge with this property undoubtedly was getting the plans done. The draftsman that we used to get the plans done just didn't move very fast, and it's one of those things where there's nothing I can do to push him along. I'm not a draftsman, so I can only tell him and ask him and hope that he'll move things along faster. And unfortunately for us, he just didn't move very fast. So it took us a year and 7 months to even start construction on this project because how long it took him to get the plans done and then to get it permitted through the city. So it was a really slow start, and then we had to make up ground on the construction side. Yeah, so how people can get involved. Just following my content, liking, subscribing on YouTube to see our other projects. We got a bunch of stuff going on. And then we're always looking for partners on projects. If it's something, if you've always wanted to get into real estate and you know where to start, reach out. You can reach out to me on Instagram and see if there's a way we can work together.